Let's get straight to it. 2000 Lincoln Town Car. This is the 4.6 liter engine. If you're looking for your air intake temperature sensor on this vehicle, it is located right here in the back of the air box. So you can see how it looks. Let's get this harness off. All right, so that's it there. Now let's get it out. In order to get it out, just turn it counterclockwise and pull it out, and you can take a quick look at it. So this is what the one in this vehicle looks like if you need to change it. So this is what your harness plug looks like for it. You can look at your 3 keyways. There's one here, and one on this side. So this should help you when it comes to finding your new part. So make sure your part looks exactly like this. And when you get your new one, you can see how this is. They have 2 indentations, one at the bottom and one on top. And you can see on the part, there's a lip here and a lip there. And if you line up those lips with those holes and you can turn it just clockwise until it stops, then you can plug your harness in just like that. So that is how you change that. And don't forget to disconnect your negative battery terminal before you change this part.